Hi class, this is a video tutorial on how to navigate through your learning module. As you can see, I am in my Melissa folder on ETC Practice course. This is the landing page. When you scroll down to your learning module, you will see Lesson 1, Numerical Expressions. This is how every learning module will be for every lesson. On this front page, you will see a lesson introduction, which is your objective. And just a reminder that this is a continuation from the introductory lesson that was on Monday. Every module will have requirements, and this is where you will see them. This module includes lesson introduction, numerical expressions Padlet, instructional video, play pause it practice, exit ticket Padlet, ThingLink tutorials, and your submissions page and your rubric. So if you click on your Lesson 1 Numerical Expressions module, it will take you to this next page. Here you will see your introduction with a little introductory paragraph about what this video will be about. And this video will be right under this landing page. As you can see that you have more than one option to go to the next page, or here, the next section of this lesson. We have cursor buttons here where we can go to the next page. We can click on the next page right here on the left side, or we can click on this cursor page right here to go to our next page, which is Numerical Expressions Padlet. So let's start by clicking on the left side. It brings you to your next page. Here you have the introductory paragraph about what you will be doing and your lesson requirements. If you click on the link to your Padlet, it will take you directly to your Padlet where you will be posting about what your lesson is about. Let's use these cursors right here to go to our next page, which is instructional video. Here you will find the instructional video for this lesson. If it does not play, please remember to click on the link that is provided at the bottom. Go back up and let's click this cursor on this side. This brings you to your play pause it practice. Every week your bulb will be posted here. Please be sure to answer all the questions to receive participation points. Again, if the play pause it practice does not work or the video does not play, please click the link that is provided on the bottom. On to exit ticket Padlet. Here you will have your instructions on how to correctly post for your exit ticket. If you click on the link provided, it will take you directly to your exit ticket Padlet. Now on to ThingLink tutorials. This page is very important because if we forgot how to do ThingLink tutorials, ThingLink presentations, then this is the place you need to be. Here, I have provided for you a Google Slides presentation with pictures on how to set up your account and how to log in and how to create your ThingLink presentation. If you would like to see it in a video presentation, I have also included that here. And once again, if it does not play, click on the link that is provided. Which brings us to our submission page. Here you will see the due date for your ThingLink presentation, the points possible, and the rubric. Here you have all your information that you need for this assignment. And just to remind you that for this assignment, you will upload a Word document with this information. One piece of information that is really important on this page is the rubric. If you click on View Rubric, it will take you directly to the rubric, and this is how you will be graded on this assignment. Please, please, please make sure that you look at this and you make sure that you use it as a checklist for all of the work that is to be provided in this presentation. And then once you are done with your Word document and the ThingLink presentation URL, go ahead and upload that by clicking on the Attach Files area and Browse My Computer. Look for your Word document and then attach it. You will see your attached file right under Text Submission. And once it is here, go ahead and click Submit. And that is how you will submit your assignment for this module. Once again, I'm here if you have any questions. Please come and see me during recess or before school or after school, or you can email me at any time. Please look at my contact information on the front landing page. We'll see you guys soon.